Welcome to Riz English Channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, your English teacher and friend.
And I'm Zoe. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again.
So, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to practice English every day, but didn't know how?
Oh, yes. I think many people feel that way. They want to practice, but they don't have time or they don't know what to do.
Exactly. So today's episode is for you. We're going to talk about daily English practice. Small, easy things you can do every day to get better at English.
Oh, I love that, because many people think they need to study for hours, but maybe they don't need to, right?
You're right, Zoe. You don't need long study hours. You just need to practice a little every day. Even 5 or 10 minutes is enough.
Wow, that sounds easy. Okay, so what's the first thing we can do, Riz?
All right, the first one is my favorite. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself? That sounds funny.
I know, but it really helps. When you talk to yourself, you start thinking in English.
Oh, I see. So instead of translating from my language, I can just say what I'm doing in English?
Exactly. For example, when you wake up, you can say, I'm getting out of bed. When you cook, say, I'm making breakfast.
That's simple, like a mini diary in my head.
Yes, it's free, easy, and you can do it anytime.
But Riz, what if someone hears me? They might think I'm crazy.
Then just hold your phone and pretend you're on a call. No one will know.
That's smart. So everyone listening, talk to yourself in English every day. It really helps.
Absolutely. Let's practice a few examples together. Repeat after me, listeners. I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm getting ready for work.
I'm getting ready for work.
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
Perfect. Nice job. That's how you make English part of your daily life.
I love that. Okay, what's next, Riz?
The second tip is listen to English every day.
Oh, yes, like watching movies, listening to podcasts, or songs, right?
Exactly. But here's the secret. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen. Even if you catch 50%, that's okay. Your brain is learning.
That's true. I remember when I started listening to English songs, I didn't understand all the words, but I started catching some phrases.
Exactly, Zoe. That's how it works. You get used to English sounds, rhythm, and pronunciation.
So how long should I listen every day?
Even 10 minutes is great. You can listen while cooking, walking, or driving.
Oh, that's perfect. I can listen to Riz English Channel.
Yes, that's the best idea. But seriously, consistency is key.
Consistency means doing it every day, right?
Right. Even small practice daily is better than big study once a week.
That's good advice. So talk and listen. Got it. What's next?
The third way is use English in real life.
But what if someone doesn't live in an English-speaking country?
Good question. You can still use English online. Write comments on YouTube in English. Post something small on social media. Or message a friend who also wants to practice.
Oh, like writing, "Today I learned a new word," or "I watched an English video."
Exactly. Just short sentences. Use what you know.
That's easy and fun. It feels real when you use it.
Yes, and it helps you remember better. English becomes a part of your life, not just a subject.
I like that. I can also write a small diary in English.
That's a great idea. Just 1 or 2 lines every day. For example, today I went shopping. I bought apples.
Oh, that's simple. Anyone can do that.
Exactly. The secret is to use English, not just study it.
That's powerful. Okay, what's next?
Number 4, read a little English every day.
Reading can be hard sometimes.
It doesn't have to be. You can start small. Short posts, quotes, or even food labels.
Food labels? Like on snacks?
Yes, reading simple English helps you see real words in real life.
That's true. I always feel proud when I understand English on signs or packaging.
That's a great feeling, right? You can also read English subtitles when watching movies. That's double practice, reading and listening together.
Oh, I like that. I'll try it tonight.
Perfect. And the last one, number 5, make English fun.
Fun. I like this one already.
Yes, it's important. You can play word games, listen to English songs, or learn funny phrases.
Oh, I love word games. They help me remember new words.
Exactly. When you enjoy English, you remember more. You can even learn one English joke every week.
Okay, tell me one now.
All right. Why did the student eat his homework?
Why?
Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Oh, that's funny. A piece of cake means easy.
Exactly. See, you just learned a new idiom, a piece of cake.
That's fun learning.
Yes. Remember, English should feel like a friend, not like a school test.
Oh, that's nice. English should feel like a friend.
Yes. Talk to it, listen to it, read it, and enjoy it.
That makes me feel more confident already.
Good. And now, let's do a quick recap.
Okay, so number 1, talk to yourself in English.
Number 2, listen to English every day.
Number 3, use English in real life.
Number 4, read something in English daily.
And number 5, make English fun.
Perfect! You remembered everything.
Yay!
Great job, Zoe. And to everyone listening, if you do these 5 things, your English will grow faster than you think.
That's true. Even small steps can make big changes.
Exactly. You just need to be consistent.
Consistent and positive.
Yes. Now let's do a small speaking practice together. Ready?
Let's go.
Repeat after me, everyone. I can learn English.
I can learn English.
I will practice every day.
I will practice every day.
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Beautiful. Great job, everyone.
That was nice. I feel motivated now.
That's the goal. Learning English should make you feel happy and confident.
I agree. Thank you, Riz.
You're welcome, Zoe. And to all our listeners, remember, practice a little every day. Talk, listen, read, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.
Yes, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Yes, that helps our community grow and helps you stay connected.
We're all learning together.
That's right. So keep going, keep smiling, and keep learning.
See you next time, everyone.
Take care, stay positive, and remember, your English journey starts with one small step today.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.